Hello friends, welcome to moodleworld.com. I am your friend Jaswinder Singh from Moodle World team, and in this video I am going to show you how you can customize the default dashboard page for all Moodle users on your site. I am already logged in as a Moodle administrator, and to perform this action you also need to log in as a Moodle administrator. Once you are logged in, then just go to the site administration link from the navigation drawer. And under the appearance tab you need to click on the default dashboard page. Now you can see the default dashboard page for all the users and how it will look alike. If you would like to add the new blocks or reposition the already existing blocks, then you need to click this blocks editing on button over here. Now you can add a new block. Let's click add a new block here. So we'll just add the online users block right now. So as you can see, there is a new block named online users, and I would like to reposition it on the top of the blocks over calendar bar here. So I just drag it over here, and once I am done, I will just click the reset dashboard for all users. It will reset all the dashboard pages for all the students, and they will also see the online users block on the top of the default dashboard page. We'll verify it by logging in as a student and going to the dashboard page. So I'm already logged in as a student user in Moodle, and I will go to the dashboard page here. So here you can see that the online users block is showing on the top and the calendar is the second, and similarly there are the other blocks. So like this you can reset the default dashboard page for all users on your Moodle site. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Moodle World and share this video with your friends and colleagues to spread the Moodle love. Thank you very much for watching.